In this activity centered on understanding and conducting action research, aiming to recall its parts and create an action research plan. In Field Study 1, we learned that action research is a practical process for solving local problems, crucial for improving school practices. As future teachers, conducting action research is vital for addressing classroom issues. We observed student passiveness in biology at Bautista National High School and aim to identify its causes and effects while suggesting strategies to address it. Our action plan includes drafting preliminaries like approval sheets and acknowledgements, providing background information on the issue and emphasizing its significance. We identified possible causes of passiveness and formulated hypotheses to guide our research. We brainstormed solutions, such as interactive activities and technology use to engage students. Our plan outlines specific objectives, a timeline, and target participants, ensuring a systematic approach. This experience highlighted the importance of practical application of theories in addressing real educational challenges. Working collaboratively allowed us to combine our strengths and ideas effectively, making the process comprehensive and smooth.